Welcome to this tutorial on AWS KMS, which stands for Key Management Service. This is part of our AWS Security series, where we explore essential security services that help protect your data in the cloud. In this video, we'll introduce you to AWS Encryption Key Management and understand how KMS helps secure your applications and data. AWS KMS is a managed service that allows you to create and control cryptographic keys used to protect your data. It serves as a centralized key management system that integrates seamlessly with AWS services and your applications. The security foundation of KMS relies on FIPS 140-3 validated hardware security modules, also known as HSMs, which provide the highest level of protection for your encryption keys. There are several compelling reasons to use AWS KMS. First, it provides centralized control, giving you a single service to manage encryption keys across all AWS services. Second, it helps you meet security compliance requirements with FIPS validated cryptographic modules, which is essential for many regulated industries. Third, KMS offers seamless integration with over 100 AWS services, including S3, EBS, and RDS. Finally, it provides full auditability by tracking all key usage through CloudTrail, making security audits straightforward and comprehensive. Let's understand three core concepts in KMS. First, KMS keys, formerly called customer master keys, are logical representations of cryptographic keys that never leave AWS KMS in an unencrypted form. Second, data keys are encryption keys generated by KMS keys and are used to encrypt large amounts of data outside of KMS. Third, envelope encryption is the practice of encrypting your plaintext data with a data key and then encrypting that data key itself with a KMS key. This multi-layer approach provides enhanced security for your sensitive information. AWS KMS supports three types of keys. Customer-managed keys give you full control over key policies, rotation schedules, and lifecycle management. These are ideal when you need complete control over your encryption keys. AWS Managed keys are created and managed automatically by AWS services on your behalf. You don't need to worry about their management, but you have less control. Finally, AWS Owned keys are owned by AWS and shared across multiple accounts. These are invisible to you as a customer and are used internally by AWS services. Understanding how KMS works is crucial. First, all keys are stored and protected in FIPS 140-3 validated hardware security modules. Second, your applications call KMS APIs to encrypt or decrypt data using these keys. Third, and this is critical for security, the keys never leave KMS in an unencrypted form. All cryptographic operations are performed within KMS boundaries. Finally, access control is enforced through IAM policies and key policies, which determine who can use keys and what operations they can perform. KMS offers several powerful features. Automatic rotation enables annual key rotation without requiring any changes to your applications, enhancing security without operational overhead. Key policies are resource-based policies that define who can access and manage your keys. Grants provide temporary permissions, allowing AWS services to use your keys on your behalf for specific operations. Encryption context adds an extra layer of security by providing additional authenticated data in the form of key-value pairs during cryptographic operations. KMS integrates seamlessly across the AWS ecosystem. It works with S3 for object storage encryption, EBS for block storage encryption, and RDS for database encryption. It also supports DynamoDB for NoSQL encryption, SNS for messaging, SQS for queue service encryption, Lambda for serverless function encryption, and CloudWatch for monitoring logs. This widespread integration means you can implement consistent encryption policies across your entire AWS infrastructure. Security and compliance are at the heart of KMS. The service uses hardware security modules that are FIPS 140-3 validated, meeting the highest government security standards. CloudTrail logging provides a complete audit trail of all API calls and key usage, which is essential for compliance reporting. KMS helps you meet various compliance standards including PCI DSS, HIPAA, FedRAMP, and many other regulatory requirements across different industries. Let's look at common use cases for AWS KMS. Data at rest encryption allows you to automatically encrypt databases, file systems, and storage volumes. Application data protection helps secure sensitive application data using envelope encryption. Digital signatures enable you to sign and verify messages using asymmetric key pairs, ensuring authenticity and integrity. Finally, regulatory compliance helps you meet data protection requirements across various industries, from healthcare to finance. These use cases demonstrate how KMS is essential for comprehensive cloud security.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.